So the major systolic murmurs are mitral insufficiency and aortic stenosis, okay? Those are the most common and most popular ones. MIAS, mitral insufficiency, aortic stenosis. Now, both of them are high sound, high velocity murmurs, so they radiate. So mitral insufficiency goes to your armpit, aortic stenosis goes to your carotids. So our diastolic murmurs are AIMS, aortic insufficiency, and mitral stenosis. Please remember, when it comes to murmurs, if there's one sound, it's regurgitated. So holosystolic, holodiastolic. If it's holo, it's regurg. If it's two sounds, crescendo, decrescendo, or like a mid-systolic or mid-diastolic, it means a stenotic lesion. Now, when someone has a valve problem, it's always the chamber right before it that hypertrophies. So if you have aortic stenosis, it's going to be left ventricular hypertrophy, and they present in heart failure, so they present with shortness of breath.